So these are the signs that the day of judgment is very near. Time will pass quickly as the end of the world approaches. Time will appear to pass swiftly, signifying the hastening of events and the culmination of human history. Drinking wine will be very common. The widespread consumption of alcohol, including wine, is considered a major sin. People will indulge in forbidden activities such as drinking alcohol without heed for the consequences, indicating a decline in moral values and adherence to religious teachings. The Euphrates River drying up. This occurrence is believed to have profound symbolic and practical implications, presenting both a physical phenomenon and a spiritual metaphor for the changing world order. River forming in desert. Conversely, the formation of a river in a desert area is another sign indicating extraordinary natural phenomena that will take place close to the day of judgment. This is seen as miraculous and emphasizes the transformation nature of the end times, where seemingly impossible occurrences will become reality as part of divine intervention and fulfillment of prophecies.